Kneading a dough doesn't have to be messy, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep your hands mess free while kneading the dough. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hit like, comment, share and save this video. So for this I'm going to use this silicone bag, and it comes with the tie also made from silicone, and this is a food grade silicone, so no problem using it with food, and it is very strong and sturdy. So I'm just going to add 1 cup of whole wheat flour because I'm making a roti dough. Now add 1 teaspoon of oil and salt as per taste, and I'm going to add half cup of water for this amount of flour, and let's see if we need some more. And then I'm going to just tie this so that all the ingredients stay inside, and just start kneading the dough like this. So you can knead any type of dough in this bag, and it is really helpful, especially for me because I like to keep my hands mess free as much as possible. So I have kneaded the dough, and let's see how it came out. So as you can see, it's perfectly kneaded, and it is ready to be rolled, and it is mess free. So I hope you find this video helpful. I have provided the link in the description box for this product. So I'll see you next time with some easy recipe. Till then, bye bye.